Welcome everybody. Again, another video, and today I am going to show a very important research methodology for data analysis using Python. You already know, and you already saw my previous video, how you can apply the machine learning algorithm for data science or data analytics. And as you know, in data analysis, one of the important part is uh, data pre-processing, and today I'm going to show when you require the data analysis. So for this purposes, uh, I'm going to show two types of database. One is missing information, and another one is data imbalancing methodology. So for this purposes, this is I have using the credit card data set for, and here is the sample of the data sets. And this one is the class. Here class 0 means one class and one is another class, and this data set has data imbalancing situation, and I will later show you. So to reduce this imbalancing technique, we need to apply some pre-processing methodology, so it can be data balancing. So in balancing, basically, that means if we have two class, then uh, one class has huge data, another class has less amount of data. This is called the data imbalancing technique. So perfect data imbalancing, we need to scaling the data, and for this purposes we have convert this data to -1 to +1, and you can easily doing this by using sklearn preprocessing with standard scalar. It is standard methodology. You can also perform this one by using another methodology, so don't worry this one. You need to follow this technique. It is not required. So this is the conversion. So we convert the amount with -1 to +1. You can have a look the amount data table. So just here we have dropped this amount and convert it to norm amount, so it is -1 to +1 range. So the next step is to split the data based on the class. So one is for not class, y is for the class. That means labeling. X is data, and based on data we will take the decision to y class. So we have this shape 29 column for x data variable. That means v1 to v27 28, and norm amount is 29, and the y is the class variables. So this is the data, we have data set. So in this one now, we will apply splitting method, then apply the balancing. So one of the important and one of the very reliable technique is called SMOTE technique, that is IMB learn oversampling. This one is the kind of oversampling method, because we will upsample the technique, and when we apply the imbalancing technique, is it before splitting or after splitting? So you can apply the smooth technique both before and after. It's based on your choice and your application. So I have applied the smooth technique after splitting. First, we have created the training and test data set, considering 70% of data for training and rest of the data set for testing. So this is our shape training data set and the testing data sets. Now we will apply the SMOTE technique as well as check how much data we have performed the balancing. So this is the applying the SMOTE technique. SMOTE, it's a random state consider for 2, then apply the basic SMOTE technique, and this one is the basic SMOTE method, and you can have a look at the output. So why we need to SMOTE technique? Because in our data set, that's mean class 1 have only 345, but class 0 have 19,000 9 uh, 1,99,019 data sets. So this is called data imbalancing. So that's why into data balancing. So once we apply this one, then we have the imbalancing. So this is SMOTE technique done. So we have class 1 only 345, but after applying the SMOTE technique, it converted to 1,99,019 both classes. So this is very important. But remember one thing, SMOTE always accurate. It is not, it's can be defined on different types of factors, but most of the cases SMOTE performs very good, and it give you the good results. So unbalanced imbalanced data is cannot always give you good result or accurate results. Precision may be lower, so that's why you always need to apply this kind of SMOTE technique to balance the data set. So this is the basic example of data balancing technique you can use in your method, and definitely you can I think it will be helpful for you how you can apply the balancing methodology. Then I have applied a searching algorithm to find the best parameter. You already uh, familiar with this model, and then you can find the classification report. Here I have you find the optimal parameters, then apply the parameters and some sort of confusion matrix, and you can have a look. This is the prediction, and this is the output result for both cases. One is without searching. Here the accuracy is 92, and here is considered for balanced data with applying uh, uh, our searching optimizing parameters, and this is the predicted level, and this one is the raw curve. So you can I think it will be helpful for you to use how you can apply the data pre-processing techniques. Actually this is my basic concerns of today classes. I think you understand why we need the data balancing techniques. So hope I will give you another video for how you can fill the missing information, how you can apply when you have null value in my next video. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you.